Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to Perfume Class 2. Yes, so today's topic is perfume notes. Yes, different notes of perfumes. Okay, I'm sure all of you must have heard or must be hearing every now and then that this perfume has that notes, that perfume has this notes, that notes, this notes. Okay, so what are notes actually? See, I try to explain in very simple language, very layman's language. Notes are nothing but type of smell or kind of smell any particular perfume generates or have. Okay, nothing more. See, suppose if I say XYZ perfume has floral notes, that means smell or fragrance of that perfume has flowers. It's a flowery smell, or that fragrance is made up of flowers. Okay, or suppose if I say any XYZ perfume has floral fruity notes, that means fragrance of that particular perfume is mixture of fruits and flowers. That's it, nothing much. Okay, so let's start with different kind of notes which are common and pretty much important in perfume industry. Okay, see, actually there are so many notes, but these are the major notes which I am going to tell you right now. Okay, number one is flowery notes or floral notes. Okay, there's no rocket science. As the name suggests, flowery notes are notes which are made up of flowers. Okay, any scent, any fragrance which is made of different flowers is called flowery notes. Okay, see, we always associate flowers with smell. Whenever we talk about or think about flower, the first thing in our mind come is good smell or smell of any flower or fragrance of any flower. Okay, so flowery notes are the most prominent notes in any perfume. Okay, not all the perfume has flowery notes, but this is the most common note. Okay, next is citrus notes. Okay, that's interesting. What is citrus note? I mean, citrus notes, again, nothing but any scent, any perfume or any fragrance made up of citrus fruits or their flowers, or at times even their leaves or stems. Okay, anything and everything to do with citrus fruits like lime, bergamot, orange, bitter orange, neroli. Neroli is flower of bitter orange. Okay, that is citrus note. Very commonly used. Many perfume has citrus notes. Generally, the first spray is of citrus notes only. Generally, not always, but most of the time, because it gives that tangy, refreshing, very soothing, fresh kind of smell. So most of the perfume has citrus notes on their first spray on top. Okay, the next very important and common note is fruity notes. Yes, fruity notes. See, citrus fruits we have talked about just, but anything which is not citrus comes under fruity notes. But generally these fruity notes, even dry fruits, yes, even dry fruits also comes under fruity notes, and generally this fruity notes gives the smell of sweetness, little bit sweetness. All these fruity notes apart from citrus notes or apart from citrus fruits are sweet, little bit sweet. So citrus fruits give tangy, refreshing smell, then rest of the fruits give little bit sweet smell. Okay, clear? Next important note is woody note. Yes, woody note, as the name suggests, notes which consist of different kind of wood, sandalwood, oak wood, cedar wood. Okay, bark of any tree trunk. Okay, something like that. That is called woody notes. Generally woody notes are pretty heavy, not very refreshing or fresh, but they are pretty heavy. So that's why it is advisable to wear woody perfumes at night, because woody notes are a bit heavy, not very light, not very fresh kind of. So woody notes are preferably should be worn at night. Okay. Next very important and common note is spicy note. Yes, spicy notes. See, in our food, especially in India, we use lot of spice. I mean, at least 10 to 12 spices are there in most of the Indian dishes. Okay, and all those spices are very much used in perfumes. There are two kinds of spicy notes: dry spice, that is called warm spice, and fresh spice. Dry spice or warm spice like black pepper, cinnamon, and fresh spices like cardamom, coriander, green pepper, ginger. Okay, so spicy notes are very much prominent in many perfumes, especially oriental perfumes. Okay, the next important notes are gourmand and sweet notes. Okay, that's interesting. Gourmand and sweet notes. See, gourmand and sweet notes provide smell of cake, sweet pastries, biscuits, pudding, caramel custard, chocolate, etc. So whenever you smell anything like sweet, pudding, cake, something like that, all your what do you call sweet buds gets ignited and you feel like eating that thing. At times you feel like eating that perfume also, which gives sweet and gourmand notes. Okay. Okay, next note, another very interesting note, beverages. Yes, beverages, alcoholic and non-alcoholic, like whiskey, rum, vodka, beer, cocktail, mocktail, all those kind of beverages, alcoholic and non-alcoholic, are pretty much used in perfumes. There are many perfumes which has notes of rum and whiskey and are in very much in demand, especially during winter time and party time. Okay, next important note is artificial and synthetic notes. Okay, see, all these notes which I've mentioned right now are pretty much natural. Okay, when we talk about artificial or synthetic, they also have natural ingredients, but most of the ingredients are such that from where we cannot extract any oil. Okay, like soil, leather, these are the ingredients we cannot extract any oil from that. So they have to, the smell of those ingredients or those notes has to be produced in lab, okay, artificially. Then smell of plastic, metal, air, okay, all anything and everything can be produced artificially or synthetically. Okay. Next important note is animalic. Okay, what is animalic? I mean, as the name suggests, smell which resembles any animal or any byproduct of animal hides. Okay, in good old days, even musk used to be naturally produced and obtained, but not anymore. Now the musk is obtained from lab. It is chemically produced because killing animals and all those things are very much prohibited. Okay, so these are very important, prominent and main notes which are pretty much commonly used in our designer high-end branded perfumes. Okay, and their various combinations are used in different perfumes. Like natural alliance is citrus and fruity. As I mentioned, fruity notes are a little bit sweeter, citrus notes are a little bit tangy and refreshing. Fruity and citrus notes are pretty much common, and even flowery fruity notes fresh, aquatic and woody notes. These are common combination of notes. Otherwise you can make any combination. I mean, the perfumers can make any combination. Okay guys, so this was class about perfume notes. Hope you liked it. Okay, please subscribe, please share the video. Thanks for watching. See you.